Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to clear all the cache from your Windows 11 or any other computer. It's simple, and by following along, you'll improve your computer's performance, making it run faster. So make sure to watch the whole video. Step 1. Clearing Prefetch cache. First, press the Windows key and the R key together. This will open the Run dialog. Now type Prefetch and hit OK. You may be prompted for permission, just click Continue. Next, select any file in the folder that opens. Press Ctrl+A to select all files, and then press Shift+Delete on your keyboard. This permanently deletes these cache files. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes. Step 2. Clearing Temp folder. Now press the Windows key and R key together again. This time type Temp and hit OK. A new window will open. If your computer has some temporary files, select any file, press Ctrl+A to select all, and then press Shift+Delete to permanently delete them. Temp files are often leftover chunks from applications that can safely be removed. Step 3. Clearing %. Temp % folder. Once again, press the Windows key and the R key. Now type %temp% and hit OK. This is another folder where encrypted junk and cache files are stored. These files are not created by you and are safe to delete. Just like before, select any file, press Ctrl+A, and then press Shift+Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, just check the Do This for All Current Items box and click Skip. It's perfectly fine to leave those files alone. Step 4. Running Disk Cleanup. For the last step, press the Windows key and R key together once more. This time type Clean MGR and hit OK. The Disk Cleanup tool will open. By default, the C drive will be selected. Click OK, and then in the Disk Cleanup window, check all the boxes, including Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, Thumbnails, Delivery Optimization Files, and Temporary Internet Files. Once you've selected everything, click OK, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleaned up the junk from your computer, making it run faster and smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.